hypnotic advanced relaxation exercise. Lie down. Your eyes are closed. Your arms are at your side. Your fingers open. Get yourself good and comfortable. If stray thoughts enter your mind, say to yourself, stop. Push them away and concentrate on what we are doing. Take a deep breath and hold it for around 20 seconds. Then slowly, you can breathe it out. Tighten the muscles in your lower part of your body. Turn your feet inward, pigeon toe, heel slightly apart. Curl your toes tightly. Bend your feet downward away from you. Now upward toward you. Just tighten the muscles along your shins and your calves. At the same time, tighten your thighs. Tighten up the muscles of your buttocks and the muscles around your anus. Not so tight that they are strained, but tight enough to feel the tension. Study it. Study the tension. Tense, tense, tense. 5 seconds. Now relax. Just to feel the tension flow out. Concentrate on relaxing the muscles on your toes. Relax the muscles of your legs. Relax the muscles of your thighs. Relax buttocks. Muscles around your anus. Now concentrate on each part of your body. Yes, I name it. Toes relaxed. Legs relaxed. Thighs relaxed. Muscles of your buttocks relaxed. All the tension out. Around 10-second pause. Now tighten up the muscles of your abdomen. Make the muscles of your abdomen taut as a child were going to show a football in your stomach. Get them good and tight. Steady the tension. Feel where the tension is. Hold it for 10 seconds. Hold it. Tense. 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 Now, relax the muscles of your abdomen. Let them go. Try to relax the muscle deep inside your abdomen. The muscles of your gut, let them go. You are more and more relaxed. 10 seconds. And now the muscles of your back, arc your back. Arc the small of your back until you feel the tension. build. Try to locate the tension. There are two long muscles column alongside your spine. You may feel the tension there. Where it is, get to know. Feel of tension. Your back is tense, tense, tense. And now relax the muscles of your back. Let them go. Let all the tension out. Your back feel limp and heavy. Let it stay that away. More and more and more relax. Around 10 seconds pause. And now muscles of your chest. Take a deep breath and hold it. Just keep on holding it 5 seconds. Notice as you hold your breath, the tension begin to build up. Not the tension in your chest muscle. Steady where it is. 10 seconds. Keep holding your breath. Recognize the feeling of tension. Around 15 seconds. Now slowly, yes you can. Let your breathe out. Slowly. Now breathe easily and comfortably. Yes, in your deep sleep. Pause. Keep on relaxing the muscles of your chest. Let them go. Let the tension out. 10 second pause. Now concentrate on each part as I mentioned it. Abdomen relaxed, back relaxed, chest relaxed, all the tension out. Pause. Around 5 seconds. And now the muscles of your fingers, arms and shoulder. Make a tight fist with each hand. Keep your elbows stiff and straight. Elbows stiff and straight as rods. Raise your arms from the shoulder to a 45-degree angle. The angle of your arms is halfway between the crotch and vertical. Now feel the tension. Steady this tension. Steady the tension in your finger, in your forearm, in your arms and your shoulders. Hold the tension for 10 seconds. Hold it. And now relaxed. Fingers open, arms down to side. Just relax. Relax the muscles of your finger. Let them go. Relax the muscles of your upper arms. Let them go. And now the muscles of your shoulder. Let them go. Fingers relaxed. Arms relaxed. Shoulder relaxed, relax. Let your arms feel limp and heavy. Just keep letting go. 10 seconds. And now muscles between your shoulder blades and the muscles of your neck. Pull your shoulder back and your shoulder blades are almost touching. At the same time, arch your neck until your chin point to the ceiling. These are areas very sensitive to nervous tension. Many people feel most of the tension here. Feel the tension, not so tight, that is hurt. Study the tension, let it build up. Now relax the muscles between your shoulder blades. Let the tension flow out, let it go, and relax the muscles of your neck. Let them go. Your neck muscles are not supporting your head. Your head is falling limply against the pillow. Hold the tension out. Feel it flowing out. 10 seconds. And now the muscles of the upper part of your face. Make a grimace. The top part of your face. Squeeze your eyes tight shut. Wrinkle your nose. Roll. Notice where you feel the tension. Study it. Not that you feel the tension in the forehead, between the eyebrow, in the cheeks, below the eyes. Not the tension. Now relax. Let all the tension out. Just concentrate on relaxing the muscles. Your forehead. Let them go. Relax your eyelids. Your eyelids. Yes, they relax. You note they begin to feel heavy. They make you feel drowsy. But you are not going to sleep. You must stay alert. Relax the muscles at the bridge of your nose. Let them go. Relax the muscles of your cheeks. Remember where they felt tight. Let them go. 10-second pause. And now the muscles of your jaws and the tongue. Bite hard with your neck, their back teeth. Press them together until your jaws are tight. Feel the tension at your temples, at your ears. Where you feel the tension, study it. Push your tongue against the back of your lower front teeth. Your jaws are tight. Your tongue is tight. Study the tension. Get to know it. Learn the feel of the tension. Hold it. Hold it. Now relax the muscles of your jaws. Let them go. Relax your tongue. Your teeth should be slightly parted. Your jaws is hanging back. More and more relaxed. 10 seconds. Now relax the muscles around your mouth and chin. Let them go. Get all the tension out. 10-second pause. Now try to relax the muscles of your throat. Relax the soft part of your throat. Relax the soft part of your throat where you swallow. Relax the muscles of your voice box. Just try to get all the tension out there. 10-second pause. That is the end of the first part of the exercise. Keep your eyes are closed. You are still relaxing.